be reading Trees by Lisa Jane Gillespie. A leafy world. There are many different types of trees. They can be different shapes and sizes. This large tree is an oak tree. See everyone? Standing tall. Trees are tall, woodly plants that can live for hundreds of years. The top of the tree is called the crown. Leaves grow on the branches. A spruce tree in Sweden is the oldest tree in the world. It is almost 10,000 years old. Oh my. The strong trunk supports the branches. Water travels from roots. The trunk to the branches. Water from the soil. Roots grow deep underground. They hold the tree in the water, the tree in the soil, and soak up the water. See? See the whole tree?
I see it.
Bark protects the trunk and branches from cold and damage. Growing strong. Every tree begins as a tiny seed. In the spring, a seed starts to grow. The first shoot and the roots begin to grow from the seed. The roots soak up water. Shoot, root. The shoot grows up to become a surface. It becomes a seeding with leaves and buds. Heat from the sun and water from the soil helps seeding, growing, and slapping. I'm not sure if you guys heard of this. I'm sorry, I might have not read it. Every tree begins as a tiny seed. In spring, a seed starts to grow. After many years, the green sapling will grow into a tall tree. Food factories. Trees need food to help them grow. The leaves use water, sunlight, and air to make food. Veins, stem. The stem and vine veins can water to the leaf. Sunlight shines on the leaves. Air grows into tiny holes on the leaves' underside. The leaves makes food, and the veins carry it to the rest of the tree. The leaves gives out a gas called oxygen. Types of trees. There are thousands of different kinds of trees. There are three main tree groups. Broadleaf trees have brushy crowns with lots of branches. Evergreen trees are tall and have straight trunks. Palm trees have bendy trunks with big leaves at the top. Palm leaves are sometimes called fronds. This is a sycamore leaf. A sycamore is a brown. Sycamore is a brown leaf tree. These spiky leaves are from an evergreen tree. See? Changing season. Sometimes broadleaf trees look very different at different times of the year. In summer, the trees are covered with lots of green trees. As the weather gets colder, the leaves turn orange and red. The leaves fall to the ground. The branches stay bare all winter. In spring, new green leaves start to grow on the trees. Evergreen trees are never bare. They lose their leaves and grow new ones all year long. When leaves turn orange and red, they fall from the branches. Some fancy flowers. Some trees grow flowers in the spring. Many flowers attract insects when they are small. Inside a flower there is a sticky powder called pollen and a sweet juice called nectar. Insects drink the nectar and pollen sticks to their bodies. When the insects go to another flower, some of the pollen rubs off. The tree uses pollen from two flowers to make seeds. Honeybees do a special dance to tell each other where to find the nectar. Tasty treats. After the flowers die in fall, fruit starts to grow. There are seeds inside each fruit. Hard fruits are called nuts and cones. These dormice are eating a cheese nut. When birds and animals eat fruits, they swallow the seeds. The seeds are spread by their birds and animals and their droppings. If the seeds fall on the right soil, they grow into new seedlings. Hanging on. Lots of different plants and mushrooms grow on trees. Moss is a furry green plant that grows on tree trunks in damp forests. Mistletoe grows on branches. Its roots suck water and food from the tree. Orchids grow on rainforest trees. Their roots soak up water from air. Velvet foot mushrooms grow in groups on tree trunks. Jack-o'-lantern mushrooms grow at the bottom of trees. They glow a spooky green at night. See? Look, maybe closer. Can you see?
Yeah.
That's scary. Tree houses. Lots of birds and animals live in trees. Bald eagles build huge nests in tall trees. The nest is called an eyrie. Raccoons sleep in holes in trees to stay warm during the cold winter. Koalas sleep for most of the day in eucalyptus trees. They eat the leaves too. The squirrel has made a snug home for its babies in a hollow tree. Tough trees. All trees need water to survive, but some trees can grow in very dry places. Argot trees grow rocky plants. Goats climb the trees to eat the leaves because there is no grass. Jade trees grow in deserts in India. Their long roots reach water far underground. African baobab trees have huge trunks that they can store water for the dry summer months. Boojum trees grow in dry parts of America. Their wood holds lots of water like a sponge. Crawling with life. Many bugs live on trees that give them food or protection. 1. A bullhorn acacia tree is home to thousands of ants. 2. They live in big hollow thorns of the tree. 3. The ants eat balls of yellow nectar from the leaves. They sting any creatures that might damage the tree. The spinix moth has patterns on its body that match the bark of the tree and helps it hide from danger. A tree trunk spider weaves sticky slick on tree bark. Spider pouches on trapped insects. Trees in trouble. The world's forests are in danger. Trees are being destroyed by fire and people. Forest fires sometimes start in dry places during very hot weather. This fire in the USA killed thousands of trees. See, everyone? That's not good.
Mm-hmm.
Trees are chopped down so the wood can be used for fuel and to make paper. Forests are cleared so land can be used for farming and to build towns or roads. Every time, beetles can be dangerous. Some carry diseases that kill trees. Protecting trees. There are lots of ways to save trees for the future. Used paper can be recycled to make new paper and cardboard. This means that fewer forests are destroyed. In some forests, new trees are planted to replace that are chopped down. Trees are protected in national parks. These trees grow on high rocky cliffs in the Grand Canyon National Park in the USA. The end. So tomorrow we're going to be reading Rainforests by Lucy Bowman. This is Owen signing off.